Hey guys, so this is round 2 of this video. Yesterday I filmed this, I filmed check-ins, I even filmed me going to Sephora and actually exchanging the foundation shade that I had before for a better looking foundation shade. And so I get back home and there's no sound there's no sound, so I'm having to do everything over again. So today is not a first impressions, it's more so like a review. I'm reviewing the foundation, which actually might be beneficial because I'm filming this my second time trying it, so I kind of know my thoughts on it, and I'm just going to validate them in this video, as well as wear a foundation that suits me better. So a few things about this foundation, which this foundation isn't new, you probably already know this stuff, but it is full coverage foundation with a velvety matte finish. It is oil free, fragrance free, transfer resistant, non-comedogenic, tested on sensitive skin, and tested under dermatological control. The amount that comes in this foundation is 1 fluid ounce, which is the standard typical size of a foundation. I have this foundation in the shade 460 warm. I originally had the shade 470 cool, but that was too dark for me. So I actually went and compared it to my Lancôme powder foundation that, if you're OG, triple OG on my channel, you remember when I used to set my face with this powder foundation. And I have this in the shade 460 Suede warm, so I decided to go back and get that same exact shade in the Teint Idole Ultra Wear foundation. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. I don't speak French. I know a little Spanish, but French, no, I don't know. I'm going to apply this. Yesterday I applied it with a brush, which I'm going to do the exact same thing today. And it tells you to shake very well. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this matches me better, because I honestly think that this is a little dark. And I didn't prime, I just used the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream Moisturizer. I'm going to use the Sigma F80 brush. So yesterday I felt like this foundation really lasted well throughout the day. I don't know, it kind of almost still looks a little reddish. Did I mess up again? Anyway, so yesterday when I wore this, I felt like the foundation wore pretty nice throughout the day. And I also thought that my smile lines looked pretty good all day with this foundation as well. I honestly feel like this is too dark too. Like, look at my neck and look at my face. That's too dark. So for concealer, I'm going to use the NYX concealer in the shade medium. I'm going to add a little bit of the caramel shade of this concealer. One thing that I noticed yesterday was that the foundation said it has a velvety matte finish, but if you just look where I just applied the foundation, it has a more shiny look. It doesn't really look matte in my opinion. It looks more of a dewy finish, and it's not my shade. And then for setting powder, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Oh, I just dumped like half of this on my table. So hey guys, I finished the rest of my makeup. It is now currently 9 a.m. So I'm going to be updating you guys throughout the day to show you how it's looking. And yeah, keep on watching. Hey guys, it is 12:45 p.m. and I put on this foundation at 9 a.m. So it's been almost 4 hours of me wearing this foundation. I do have this light in front of me, so it may appear that I'm a little shiny, but in regular lighting, I'm not oily at all. My face looks the exact same as when I first started. This is the same point in time that I did my check-in yesterday when I didn't have any sound. And at that point, it had been 4 hours and my face was not oily then either. So, oh yeah, my hair is different. I put my hair up. I think my smile lines are creased just a little bit, but the foundation isn't separating where my smile lines have creased. So it's not super noticeable far away that my smile lines have creased. That's pretty much the detail that makes my smile line creasing noticeable when the foundation separates. But this one is just kind of creasing there, so it looks better. I like that about this foundation. I'm going to do a quick flashback test to see if this foundation does get flashback, because the sun just came out, so I want to test it in sunlight. This looks so good. Like, wow, there's no flashback. So I'm actually gonna test it in a dark room, so Be right back. So in a dark room, it looks really good as well. So I like this foundation. I like it because it doesn't have flashback. I'm not oily at the 4-hour mark, which I will update you guys in a few more hours to just show you how it looks at that point. And I hate that I'm late to the party because this could have been one of my holy grail foundations a long time ago, but you know, it's never too late. So yeah, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so it is 6:32 p.m. So it's been on for, why did I do that? It is 6:32 p.m. So it's been on for a little over 9 hours. I'm barely starting to get oily, like next to my nose and on my nose. But my smile line is kind of starting to separate and not just be creased there. Like it's kind of separating right here. For at the 9-hour mark, I think this foundation wears really well. And then it doesn't have flashback. Because I've shown you guys my smile lines, I'm actually going to show you what I would do if I was going out right now. I would smooth out my smile lines with the foundation brush and go next to my nose and on my nose to kind of dab up the oil, blend it in, and anywhere else that kind of needs that. And then with the powder that I use, take a bit of that Laura Mercier, press it in there. If I was really going somewhere, I would set it like this and then add a little bit more powder and press it in, but I'm not actually going anywhere. Then I would go back in with the bronzer that I used that day, bronze up and kind of bring it over that Laura Mercier powder to make it look less powdery right there. And then if I need to, add a little bit more lipstick. And yeah, I would be ready. So yeah, that's a mini how I would touch up, how I would fix the situation that I just had. So this foundation is a really great foundation. I definitely will put it in one of my foundations that I wear in a rotation. No wonder so many people talk about this foundation. Let me know what you think. I asked you guys on my Instagram what you guys think of this foundation, and it was pretty 50-50 on you guys liking and not liking the foundation. So I want to know what you guys think over here. Do you like the foundation? What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure that you subscribe by clicking my face right here and watch my latest video if you don't have anything else to do by clicking this video right here. And I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.